The equation is root of x plus 10 minus root of x minus 6 equals 2. Also, x must be an integer. Move the second root to the right side to isolate the first square root expression. Square both sides to remove the square root. Square on both sides must be balanced. Expand using the formula. A plus b whole squared equals a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Simplify x plus negative 6 plus 4 to get x minus 2. Subtract x from both sides. Then subtract negative 2 from 10 to get 12. Divide by 4 to get 3. Then square both sides to remove the remaining root. Final answer is x equals 15, and it is an integer, so it satisfies the number theory condition.